Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate American Eagle affiliate program, detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate the American Eagle affiliate program, start by visiting the American Eagle website. Scroll down to the bottom of the home page to find the affiliates link. Click on the affiliates link to access the affiliate program page. Review the information provided about the program, including the commission structure and benefits. Look for the Join or Sign Up button on this page. Click the Join or Sign Up button to begin the application process. You will be redirected to the affiliate network platform, typically Impact or another network partner. Create an account on the affiliate network platform if you do not already have one. Fill in the required information, such as your name, email address, and website details. You may also need to provide your social media profiles if applicable. Once your account is created, log in to the affiliate network platform. Find the American Eagle program within the available options. Click on the Apply button to express your interest in joining the American Eagle affiliate program. Complete any additional application fields as required by the affiliate network. Submit your application for review. Wait for approval, which may take a few days. Once approved, log back into the affiliate network account. Access your dashboard to find affiliate links and banners for American Eagle. Copy the provided affiliate links for use on your website or social media. Start promoting American Eagle products using the affiliate links. Monitor your performance and earnings through the affiliate dashboard. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.